To check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Redmi A7 Pro, first we're gonna open Settings. Over here in Settings, go to More Connectivity Options, and then over here you should be able to go to the data usage. Now once you open data usage, you will have the list of apps and how much data they have used today. You can also tap on this text that we have on the top of this list, so usually it says today, mobile data usage, and you can switch, for example, to the previous day. You can also check last month and this month. You can also tap on these two arrows in order to switch to the Wi-Fi usage. And in addition to that, you want to, of course, if you want to check the data usage for your second SIM, because if you have two SIMs, then of course you might want to check the mobile data usage for the second SIM. In order to do so, you need to actually switch the default SIM for mobile data. So you can open mobile network settings. And then here you want to change default SIM for cards. Over here we have this section. You want to tap on data and switch to SIM 2. And then if we go back to the data usage menu, then over here, as you can see, now we can check the data usage for SIM number 2. Leave a like and subscribe.